In Service Manager, a placement is a specific location at a site where an item needs to be placed or serviced. Think of it as a sub-location inside a site. This helps you track where each item goes. Every site can have one or more placements depending on how the items are distributed across the location. Let's take a real-world example. At the Star Coffee Bedford site, the client has an agreement for 4 bins. Here's how they want them placed: 1 bin at the main entrance, 1 bin in the gents' restroom, and 2 bins in the ladies'. Using placements helps ensure accurate service, better tracking, and fewer errors. It's especially useful for large sites with multiple service points. Let's add and allocate new placements. At the bottom right of the screen, you'll see that a default placement has already been auto-selected for the site. This is the fallback location for any item not yet manually placed. Click on Placements, then click Create Placement. In the pop-up window, enter a description. Click Save. You'll now see your new placement in the list. Simply drag and drop the new placement over the one you want to change. A Move Placement pop-up will appear. Choose how many units to move. Click OK. That's it. The item has now been reallocated to the new placement. If you need to add multiple placements quickly, you can simply copy a list from Excel. In Service Manager, click Placements, then select Paste Placements. A pop-up will show a preview of what you're about to add. Click Yes to confirm and your list of placements will now appear instantly, ready for allocating.